Let's move on to the new thing.
Okay, yes. So as an introduction, you guys probably remember the auto lock micro four thirds mount module that we released for the Nexus G1. That was as I mentioned, a micro four thirds module that allowed you to use micro four thirds lenses and adapt to any longer flange distance lenses. We did that because it's more versatile than having an EF mount. You can adapt to other mounts like Nikon mount and PL or whatever standard longer mounts. And we originally had the thought to somehow make the Nexus more adaptable so it could accept any lens. But we put that on hold until we got the development of the rest of the camera done. But now that we've got there, we have come up with a new product. This is the Nexus U Mount.
Oh,
So
nice.
this here is our own universal mount system. So basically, the Nexus has a U mount, which means you're not limited to any particular lens mount. You can mount any lens in the world on the U mount, anything from a E mount lens up to a Panavision Ultra Vista. And the way it works is we've optimized our flange distance to the nth degree to get our E and D module as thin as possible and everything absolutely as thin as possible. And we've designed this special mechanism that allows us to have a 15mm flange distance universal mount with a very large throat diameter. And what this allows us to do is adapt to nearly any lens mount that exists. E mount, L mount, RF mount, of course the longer ones like PL, EF or anything. It is another step in versatility, so you're not limited to micro four thirds lenses, or if you had an L mount limited to L mount, you can use any cinema mirrorless lens on the U mount. You have an adapter plate for each lens mount kind. This one here is E mount, and then it simply snaps into the mount and locks. And it's a simple push button to release. And it's a positive lock system, so it's rock solid.
And this is the world's first system that's capable of doing this.
Yeah, we've designed this from scratch.